Welcome all of you. Today we are discussed about the numericals based on the transformer. Now let us see numerical number 3. A 2000 by 200 volt single phase 50 Hz transformer has the maximum flux of 30 milliweber. Find out the number of turns on primary and secondary winding if the cross-sectional area of the core is 1.1 centimeter square. In this example, the transformer rating is not given. It is voltage ratio is given. The voltage ratio V1 by V2 is equal to 2000 divided by 200. The voltage V1 is 2000 volt and the voltage V2 is 200 volt. It is single phase transformer and the frequency is 50 Hz. Now in this example the value of maximum flux, that is phi m, is given 30 milliweber. This flux we converted into Weber. For converted into Weber we multiply 30 into 10 raised to minus 3 because it is milliweber. Therefore it is equal to 30 into 10 raised to minus 3 Weber. Now the area of cross sectional given in this example, A is equal to 1.1 centimeter square. The area always given in meter square. Therefore we convert into meter square. Now we find out the number of turns on primary and secondary winding, that is we calculate the N1 and N2. Consider the given voltage ratio is equal to the E1 by E2, which is as equal to the previous example. The transformation ratio V2 by V1 is equal to E2 by E1 is equal to K. Therefore now the value of E2 by E1 is equal to 200 divided by 2000. 200 is the secondary voltage and 2000 is the primary voltage. Therefore E2 is equal to 200 volt and E1 is equal to 2000 volt. It is the primary mutual induced EMF and it is the secondary mutual induced EMF. Now we use this formula for calculation of primary winding and secondary winding turns. First is calculate the primary winding turns. The formula of E1 is equal to 4.44 E of phi m N1. Now we transfer these three terms into LHS. Now the N1 is equal to E1 divided by 4.44 E of phi m. The phi m is 30 milliampere we seen above, which is given in example. Now the value of E1 is equal to 2000. 4.44 as it is, frequency is 50 Hz and phi m is equal to 30 into 10 raised to minus 3, that is 30 milliampere. Okay, all these values are in volt or Hertz etc. Therefore we taken here this maximum flux in Weber, not in milliweber. Now the answer of this calculation is equal to N1 is equal to 300 turns. Now we calculate the value of N2. For that we use the formula E2. E2 is equal to 4.44 E of phi m N2. Therefore N2 is equal to E2 divided by, we transfer these three terms into LHS. E2 divided by 4.44 into F into phi m. Therefore N2 is equal to, E2 is 200. 4.44 as it is, frequency 50, phi m is equal to 30 milliweber, that is 30 into 10 raised to minus 3. Now the value of N2 is equal to 30 turns. So the value of N1 is equal to 300 turns and N2 is equal to 30 turns. Now the example is completed.